my beautiful spiritual angels. Welcome back to the channel where we align, we elevate, and flow with the magic of life. Today, we are diving into a very juicy topic that I know you're gonna love: rituals versus routines. What's the difference? Do you need them both? And how can they help you show up as your most highest aligned self? So, let's get into it. So, first off, we hear a lot about morning routines, self care routines, and even productivity routines. But have you ever noticed how sometimes they make you feel? They make us feel rigid, right? Like they turn it into another to do list. That's because routines are often task oriented. They help us stay organized, but they also can start to feel like an autopilot mode. We are just going through the motions, like check, 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 check. Now, rituals are a whole vibe. They are intentional, they are flexible, and deeply personal. When you create a ritual, you're bringing presence and purpose into those actions. It's less about the task and more about the energy you infuse into it. And you know what's cool? The same action can be either a routine or a ritual. It all depends on your mindset. Let's say you wake up every day, make coffee, journal, and meditate. If you're doing it to check things off of your list, that's a routine. But if you wake up and think, how do I want to feel today? Then you make a coffee with love and stir in some affirmation and some intentions. Savor every sip with intention and meditate to connect with your higher self and be present. And while you're doing all of these steps, babe, that's a ritual. Done out of habit is a routine, and done with presence is a ritual. So, do you need both rituals and routines? Honestly, yes, you do need them both. Routines gives you structure. It gives structure to your day. They keep life from getting chaotic. But rituals nourish your soul. They make the mundane task feel magical. And here's the secret sauce: when you blend them, life flows so beautifully. You can turn your routine into a ritual by simply adding intentions and presence. So, if you're ready, let's alchemize your routine into rituals. Here are the three simple tips. Number one, set an intention. Before starting any routine, pause and ask yourself, what energy do I want to bring into this? Tip number two, slow down. Instead of rushing through it, be fully present. Whether it's brushing your teeth or making your bed in the morning, slow it down and romanticize it. Tip number three, add something sacred. Light a candle, play calming music, or say an affirmation. Bring in something that makes you feel sacred and joyous and ritualistic to yourself. So, tomorrow morning or any next time you catch yourself going through the motions, take a deep breath and ask yourself, how can I bring more intention into this? How can I bring more magic into this? Whether it's a routine or a ritual, when you lead with spirit, everything becomes more meaningful. If this resonated with you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a fellow spiritual angel that you know that would love this. Let's keep this vibe going. Until next time, stay aligned, stay elevated, and stay magical. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye. So, tomorrow morning, the